Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about prompt dialog in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. A prompt dialog is a type of JavaScript feature that allows you to display a message to the user and request input. Here is an example of a simple prompt dialog. When this code is executed, the web browser will display a prompt dialog with the message, "What is your name?" and a text field for the user to enter their value. Once the user enters their name and clicks the OK button, the value entered will be stored in the variable name. Then the code uses the alert function to display a message, "Hello," followed by the name entered by the user. Here is a breakdown of what's happening in the code. Where name equals to prompt creates a variable named name and assigns its the value entered by the user in the prompt dialog. Alert hello plus name uses the alert function to display a message hello followed by the value stored in the variable name. So when the code is executed, the user will be prompted to enter their name. After entering it and clicking OK, an alert dialog will show a message hello username. Prompt dialogs can be useful in a variety of situations, such as asking for confirmation before performing an action or collecting information from the user. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.